Hi guys, Tabitha Fielteau here, fashion designer, and today we're talking about how to pad your dress form. Okay, so why to pad your dress form? So instead of buying an entire different dress form from a size 10 to a size 12 or 14 to a 16, all you have to do is pad your dress form. Maybe you gained some pounds, maybe the dress form was for you or for a client, and you want to just add some extra dimensions there. You can do that without having to buy a whole new dress form. Okay, so there's two different things I use to pad my dress form. One thing I started off using that was batting. And you can really add layers upon layers to really increase the inches on your dress form. So I also use a fabulous fit system, and that really is helpful because it really comes with the shoulders, the hips, the bust already in its own little padding, and you just add that to your bust, your hips, your stomach area, whatever you need to pad. Okay, so we want to see how we can add the padding to our dress form. So let's say your bust or your dress form bust is measuring, it's about 36.5 inches. And you want to add a little extra inch here, maybe 1 or 2 inches here. So all you have to do is take these little pads here. They go on like so. And you can pin these on to increase the dimensions of the bust area. And if that's not enough, they do have fillers. And you can just add the filler pads inside to add some extra dimensions to the bust area. Maybe the waist fits you, the hips fit you, but not the bust. Obviously you would take a little bit more time and secure it properly, but just for the sake of the video, just gonna put it in here pretty quickly so you can see how it's done. All right, and now I'm going to measure our bust now. And it comes with a dress that goes over the dress form to really have it securely put in. So now we are 38. So we went from a 36.5 to 38. So that added 1.5 inch to the bust, which is really useful instead of buying an entire new dress form. Also for the waist, let's say you don't have the pads and you want to just add, maybe your stomach area is a little bigger. So right now it's measuring at almost 28 inches. So if you have some batting, you take the batting like this, layer it up, really add where you're having more, where you need more padding. Just one layer, even add a little bit more here. And also you can pin that down. And obviously you want this kind of be smoothed out, and you want to try to grade it up. You know, you don't want to have, you know, thick layers on the outskirts and then here it's really bunched up. So make it really smooth and not, you know, better than I'm doing right now. But let's see. So now we had a 28, almost 28 inch waist, and now we're at 29.5. So that also increased about 1.5 inches, which is really helpful to pad those areas where you need more inches. And like I said, I use this all the time for myself or for a client. So with the fabulous fit system that I bought, they have a dress, 2 dresses that goes over your dress form to really smooth out these lines. So you don't want it to be all bunched up here. You want it to be nice and smooth. They give you 2 different ones that you can use. One is without princess seams, just a simple little slip that goes over your dress form. You can make this yourself. It's really, really simple. It's nothing done to it that is out of the extraordinary. Also, the other one has princess seams, and it's really helpful if you need to know where those lines are when you're draping your pattern on your dress form, or you just want to put it back up here to see how things look. All right guys, so that's the video for today, how to pad your dress form. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you have any comments, let me know below. All the information will be in the description box. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.